Got mountain money?
Yeah. Sweet. First Upland Gabe camp trip.
Let's go trucker hunting, baby.
Got the dad, got Brian.
I'm the dad.
The dogs. Woo. Matt, Kyle, and Brian, or Matt, Kyle, and his dad are in the truck over there.
I'm the dad.
Big puppy. We're gonna out here trying to find some chucker. See what happens.
If not, I'll chuck it.
Dang, look at Kyle over there. He's gonna drive it with a lead foot.
He's not even trying to miss the sagebrush.
We got our camp set up and we're off.
Right on, brother.
Trying to find the chucker. Where they at? Where they at? What you thinking? Whew. Afternoon hunt success. We got one. But hopefully we'll find some more. They're kind of scattered out right now. We're gonna go back up and meet up with Kyle and his dad and Matt and see if they got any. And then we'll head back to camp and eat some food.
Got one in the side-by-side, baby. Pretty bird.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Oh yeah, here's mine.
Oh, we got one too.
Ruger, look at that.
Good for
Oh no.
Go find him, Ruger.
That was such a jet.
What is up, everyone? Day 2. We're gonna go hit the road a little bit go find a new chucker area, but I just want to let you know what just happened this morning. Matt locked the keys in his truck. Always have a spare set of keys hidden somewhere where you're sleeping or out and about, because you never want to lock your keys in your truck when you're way out here. Just learn from his mistakes. Don't lock your keys in your truck, because we've been burning daylight. Spent about 2.5 hours this morning trying to get it unlocked. Finally did. Now we're gonna go hit the road. But just to let you know how we are kind of tackling and trying to find these chucker, we are splitting up into groups 3 and 3, hiking these ridge tops where the rim rock is, because that's where the chucker are primarily hiding, in the very rocky sections of these mountainous terrain, as you can see behind me if you can, way up there. The escape mechanism for these chucker is they like to run uphill and then they glide downhill. So they primarily are relatively up high, so when they have a sense of danger or something trying to attack them, they fly up and just glide down the hill to safety. Plus, chukar like to be around water. I'm not saying this reservoir is their main source of water, because they can get water in the cracks of rocks when it rains, or streams, creeks, springs, anything. But they do need water to survive like any other animal. So look for some water sources, look for that rim rock, hike around. You will need to put the miles in to find these birds, and when you do, it's gonna be a lot of fun. We did eat the one I shot yesterday for a little appetizer, and let me tell you, whoo-wee, these birds are tasty. So get out there, find some chukar, and you'll have some fun. So stay tuned today. Hopefully we get some action, and I'll keep you in touch. Don't lock your keys in your truck. Carry a spare key out here. It'll save your life. Right, Diesel? Get the birds. There's the birds.